Hello dear friends. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, simple, and most importantly, easy homemade salad. They say that if you prepare this salad at home, you will become the most valued person in your family. Smiley face emoji. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For today's salad, we will need some basic ingredients that can be found in almost every home: potatoes, carrots, and eggs. These ingredients are not only tasty but also very healthy. Let's start with potatoes. Potatoes are a great source of energy. They contain starch, vitamin B6, potassium, and fiber. Potatoes help you feel full quickly and provide long-lasting energy. That's why it's very important to cook them the right way. Wash the potatoes well and boil them with the skin on. Why with the skin? Because most of the beneficial vitamins are located just under the peel. Potatoes boiled with their skins are both tastier and healthier. Add a little salt to the water and boil on medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check with a knife; if it goes in easily, the potatoes are ready. Now let's talk about carrots. Carrots are extremely beneficial for eye health. They are rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and antioxidants. Carrots strengthen the immune system and are very good for the skin and hair as well. Wash the carrots thoroughly and boil them whole. It is not recommended to cut carrots before boiling, because many vitamins can be lost in the water. Boil them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they are ready, let them cool and then peel them. Now let's move on to eggs. Eggs are a complete source of protein. They are very important for muscles, brain function, and overall health. Eggs contain vitamin D, vitamin B12, and iron. Place the eggs in cold water and boil them for 8 to 10 minutes after the water starts boiling. This will give you hard-boiled eggs, perfect for salads. After boiling, immediately transfer them to cold water. This makes peeling much easier. All our ingredients are now ready. Now comes the most enjoyable part: making the salad. Cut the potatoes, carrots, and eggs into small cubes. If all the pieces are the same size, the salad will look nicer and taste better. Add a little salt and black pepper if you like. You can mix the salad with mayonnaise or yogurt. For those who are watching their diet, yogurt or olive oil is a great option. And just like that, a simple but very delicious salad is ready. This salad is perfect for breakfast or dinner. Most importantly, it is natural, healthy, and prepared with love for your family. If you want to be the most cherished person in your family, Be sure to try making this salad, smiley face emoji. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Many M.